Hi, I'm Megan from the Siaac group, and we're joined with Dave from Union Power Energy at the Yellowstone Shopping Mall in Hartbeespoort Dam. Today we're joined by David from Union Power Energy, who's going to share his insights into exactly how he understood his client's exact requirements and then proceeded to engineer the perfect renewable energy solution that met both his immediate requirements and his long-term expectations.
Hi, I'm Sébastien Fett, the CEO of Siaac Group. We are a distributor of Sigenergy product in South Africa. Today I have the pleasure to visit Yellowstone Shopping Mall and to have a look of a very beautiful installation done by Union Power Energy. So if you are a business owner, as a distributor, I would recommend that you discuss and you engage with certified EPC and installer that can give you the quality you are looking for, that will automatically ensure the performance of your system and hence ultimately your savings.
Hi, good day. I'm Dave from Union Power Energy, and today I'm here to show you our beautiful site at Yellowstone Mall. What we wanted to achieve with this customer is take advantage of the time of use billing, and with the storage that we store in the batteries from the solar panels, we then allows us to arbitrage to make the customer significant saving each day. The system configuration is 918 panels of 615 watt Jinko panels. We've then installed the Siaac technology, where we've got 4 by 110 kilowatt hybrid HYB inverters, and we've got the storage of 60 kilowatt hour batteries. We've then installed a 600 kilowatt gateway that does seamless switching between on and off grid. We've also integrated the generator to allow us to be able to, in case of bad weather, charge the batteries and be there as a last resort of power backup. The system is a hybrid solution, which means that we can store excess energy from the panels, and this allows us to then arbitrage power between peak, off-peak and standard rates. In this particular case, in the winter months, charging the batteries off-peak and discharging during peak is a 600% return. So it's phenomenal savings. This allows the customer to get a return on investment of this installation in less than 3 years. Solar is a journey, it's not a destination. And in this particular case, we are planning to install additional batteries. This will enable us to be able to go after the customer's demand charge, creating a further savings every month. Very proud of my team's professional installation here. They've done a phenomenal job, and we look forward to doing more installations of this nature. I'd very much like to thank Orlando, the owner of Yellowstone Village Mall, in his trust that he has shown us. I'd also like to thank Siaac and Sigenergy for their support, which has been unwavering.